Good morning, everyone. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Guess what, guys? I have a very special guest for you today. He's from Tennessee. Yes, buddy, he's from Tennessee. And also, we're gonna have my son helping us making a smoothie. Here we go. Hey guys, yeah, I'm so excited that you are here today. How was your trip?
Quite long, but it was okay.
Okay, cool. So what are we having today?
Today we are going to be making pineapple, strawberry, mango, and peach banana smoothies.
These smoothies are healthy, delicious, and everything you want in a summer's drink.
Oh, I'm so excited. We need to have our ingredients. This is all the ingredients we're gonna have?
Wait, we need the blender.
Oh,
Yeah,
good idea.
there it is.
Whoa, where did this one come from? All right. So how do you use this?
This Ninja Bullet blender is pretty easy to use. All you have to do is just take this out and screw the lid.
Okay.
Pour all your ingredients in here. Screw the cap back on. Push it in here. Twist. And then you have a refreshing, delicious smoothie in just a few minutes.
Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Are you excited, Jim?
Yes.
Yes.
So let's get started. So now we're gonna start making our smoothies. So we're going to be using almond milk. Can you pour some almond milk in here for me? You can use any type of milk for your diet: regular milk, coconut milk, like walnut milk, oat milk. It really just depends on your diet and whatever you want. And can you pour that into the cup? So next we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of pineapple, frozen pineapple. You can use fresh pineapples. It's way better if you use frozen one because that means you don't have to use ice and they're not as frosty.
So next we're gonna pour in 3/4 of a cup of frozen strawberries.
For that we're going to use 1/4 of a cup of diced frozen mangoes.
Then we're gonna pour in 1/4 of a cup of peaches.
Finally, a half medium-sized banana. And we can just peel this off. We're just gonna break this in half so it fits in our blender. And finally, 2 teaspoons of honey. Here's the measuring spoon, and here's some honey.
Let's start blending.
So let's put our lid on the top.
I'm sorry.
Make sure it's very tight so that way none of the liquid spills out. And now you're going to want to turn this over into these 2 little holes and then chew it. That looks good enough, right? Oh wait, I should also say that if some of your frozen fruit is done, just shake the jar a little bit. This thing a little bit.
And now that it's done blending, we're gonna pour this into our cup and taste it.
Oh wow, look at this. Oh, that looks yummy.
Let's try it.
Oh. You know what? I don't know why are you all using. I got me some. I'm gonna drink this.
Wow, this is actually really good.
This is good. And you know what? Oh my god! Yeah, buddy! Cheers!
Healthy.
Thanks for watching Fun Cooking with Knox. See you in my next episode.
Hey, I want some more of this. Y'all want some more? Oh, more! Oh, come on now. Yeah! There you go. Oh, yeah.